Okay, so in this video we'll be exploring the last 4 legit cases in triple combination. So these 4 are very recognizable. They have very unique shapes and they're pretty easy to understand. So what does it look like? They don't look like all the way. I'm just talking. So sorry. So one thing we're going to talk about is cases that have this shape and they have a correct center around here. So if you see something like that, you know that this is a triple combination, and there are only 2 possibilities. Either this one is on the bottom or it's on the top. So you're going to start with the top color on the opposite, so this here. So you put the yellow toward the backside, and you're going to what you're going to do is, if that's the case, you're going to start with hedge slammer and you're going to turn to the side where the center is correct. So in this side you're going to turn hedge slammer, and you can see turn here, this is already a double combination, so you do this. And the only other case in this category is this one. Sorry. Yeah, this one. So this case is on the bottom. You're also going to start with hedge slammer because both cases start with hedge slammer. And you're going to turn to this side when you're done. So hedge slammer. Yeah. Notable the second the second time you turn the Rubik's Cube, it will turn to the opposite direction compared to the first one. That's just something to know, so it will make it easier for you to do the 2 logarithm consistently. So, and there are 4 other cases I want to talk about. They're kind of like the mirror, but they don't look like very alike. So this one is basically the center switch. So you only see something like this. This is a pi, right? And you see something like this. And here, it's the same thing. So if you found, so in this case you are going to start with sledgehammer. So if you found it is below, you're going to do is here, and you're also going to turn to below and back here. So the only other case is this one. So you also start with here and you turn to that side, and you know that when you are done you are going to turn it back. So just important thing to remember, that if you see the thing like so if you see something like this one, so you are going to start with hedge slammer, and you are also, so in both cases you are going to turn to the side where you have this, and then you are going to turn it back. And the only difference is, in this case you start with sledgehammer, and the other hedge slammer, and the other case you start with sledgehammer. And also you put this thing, the top color, to the opposite. So that's basically what is in this video. It's pretty easy, and these 4 cases are really complicated if you use the normal solution. So these are really helpful algorithm to know. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time.